In the endless void of space, one planet captures our imagination like no other. A world of majestic rings, fierce storms, and dark secrets. This is Saturn. But behind the beauty lies a strange and violent history. What is Saturn hiding? And why is it more dangerous and mysterious than we ever imagined? Let's take a journey into the heart of the ring giant. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. It's a gas giant like Jupiter, but it's less dense, so light could float in water. It's the second largest planet in our solar system, over 760 times the volume of Earth. A day on Saturn? Just 10.7 hours long. 1 year on Saturn lasts 29 Earth years. But Saturn isn't just massive, it's magnificent. And at the center of its beauty lies a mystery: its rings. Saturn has 7 major ring groups, made mostly of ice and dust. These rings stretch out 280,000 kilometers, but are incredibly thin, only 10 meters thick in some areas. They move fast. Inner ring particles orbit at over 70,000 kilometers per hour. Some scientists believe the rings might be new, formed just 100 million years ago from a shattered moon or comet. They may look solid, but if you try to land on the rings, you'd fall right through them. They're made of countless icy particles, some as small as pebbles, others as big as houses. Saturn has one of the most bizarre weather systems in the solar system. At its north pole, there's a massive hexagonal storm, a 6-sided jet stream over 30,000 kilometers wide. Wind speeds can reach 1,800 kilometers per hour, faster than any hurricane on Earth. Lightning storms 10,000 times more powerful than Earth's flash across the planet. And beneath those calm-looking clouds, Saturn hides chaos, unseen, unrelenting, and completely alien. Saturn has 145 known moons, more than any other planet. The largest, Titan, is bigger than Mercury and has lakes and rivers of liquid methane. Enceladus, a small icy moon, shoots geysers of water into space, evidence of subsurface ocean that may support alien life. Mimas, with its giant crater, looks like the Death Star. Some moons shepherd the rings, controlling their shape with gravitational forces. Saturn's moons are a solar system of their own. Each one tells a story, from frozen oceans to possible life. They're keys to understanding Saturn's past and maybe our future. Saturn likely has a rocky core, surrounded by metallic hydrogen and dense gases. But its exact structure is still a mystery. Recent studies suggest Saturn's core might be fuzzy, blending into surrounding layers rather than being solid. Saturn radiates more heat than it receives from the Sun, suggesting internal energy still escaping. What's really inside Saturn? We don't fully know, but it may help explain how the giant planets formed and how they shape the entire solar system. NASA's Cassini spacecraft studied Saturn for 13 years. It revealed stunning images of Saturn, its moons, and the space between the rings. In 2017, Cassini made its final dive into Saturn, sending back data until it was destroyed. Why? To avoid contaminating moons like Enceladus, which might host life. NASA's Cassini spacecraft studied Saturn for 13 years. It revealed stunning images of Saturn, its moons, and the space between the rings. In 2017, Cassini made its final dive into Saturn, sending back data until it was destroyed. Why? To avoid contaminating moons like Enceladus, which might host life. It died so we could learn more and protect what we might one day discover. Cassini didn't just explore Saturn. It changed how we see the universe. Saturn is more than just beautiful. It's a planet of extremes. Its rings, its storms, its icy moons, all whisper the story of a world still evolving, still surprising us. And while it may be over 1 billion kilometers away, Saturn has never felt closer. The more we learn, the more we realize how much we've yet to understand.